Hi friends, my name is Hitesh. Today video given information about the Bodykey by Nutralite Meal Replacement Shake Mix, Chocolate. You not subscribe to my channel then please subscribe, never forget the bell icon to all. Start the knowledge about this product. Product details: 1 tub, 16 servings, satisfying and well-balanced meal replacement shake that helps you satisfy your hunger. Bodykey by Nutralite Meal Replacement Shakes are a convenient and effective way to lose weight and keep it off. Formulated to help satisfy your hunger without artificial colors, flavors or preservatives, it helps control portion size and calories, both of which are critical for successful weight loss. The rich, chocolate flavor satisfies your taste buds and your chocolate craving. Replace 1 or 2 meals per day with a Bodykey by Nutralite Meal Replacement Shake to help control your hunger, support digestive health and keep you feeling energized as part of a healthy weight loss program. Nutrition facts: serving size 2 scoops, 57 grams, servings per container 16 amount per serving, percent daily value * calories 230, total fat 6 grams, saturated fat 2 grams, trans fat 0 grams, cholesterol 5 milligrams, sodium 300 milligrams. Total carbohydrate 24 grams, dietary fiber 5 grams, total sugars 9 grams, includes 8 grams added sugars, protein 20 grams, vitamin A 300 mcg, vitamin D 2 mcg, vitamin E 3 milligrams, vitamin B12 0.5 mcg, folate 167 mcg, DFE 100 mcg, folic acid. Riboflavin 0.4 milligrams, pantothenic acid 1.5 milligrams, niacin 6 milligrams, thiamine 0.4 milligrams, vitamin B6 0.7 milligrams, vitamin C 15 milligrams, biotin 25 mcg, iodine 45 mcg, phosphorus 250 milligrams, calcium 250 milligrams, magnesium 116 milligrams. Iron 3 milligrams, manganese 1 milligram, copper 0.5 milligrams, zinc 3 milligrams, chromium 17.5 mcg, molybdenum 20 mcg, selenium 18 mcg, potassium 525 milligrams. Ingredients: protein blend, milk protein isolate, pea protein, whey protein isolate. Fructose, maltodextrin, cellulose fiber, alkalized cocoa, unhydrogenated sunflower oil, vitamin and mineral blend, potassium chloride, dicalcium phosphate anhydrous, dipotassium phosphate, magnesium oxide. Ascorbic acid, copper gluconate, vitamin E acetate, ferrous fumarate, niacinamide, beta-carotene, zinc oxide, manganese sulfate, D-biotin, sodium molybdate, D-calcium pantothenate, folic acid, cholecalciferol, chromium chloride, pyridoxine hydrochloride, thiamine mononitrate, potassium iodide, sodium selenate, riboflavin, cyanobalamin, coconut oil, skim milk powder, salt, natural chocolate flavor, sodium caseinate, cellulose gum, sunflower lecithin, xanthan gum, carrageenan, stevia leaf extract, silicon dioxide, mono and diglycerides, rosemary extract, tocopherols. Is this product gluten-free? Yes, this product is gluten-free. Is Bodykey by Nutralite Meal Replacement Shake Mix certified kosher? Yes. Is Bodykey by Nutralite Meal Replacement Shake Mix halal certified? Yes. What is this product? When prepared according to label instructions, this product is a portion and calorie controlled well-balanced meal replacement shake. This shake provides 20 grams of protein per serving, carbohydrates to help keep you energized and dietary fiber to help you get closer to the recommended amount of daily fiber intake, and 25 essential vitamins and minerals. Who may benefit from consuming this product? This shake is ideal for individuals engaged in a weight management program, like the Bodykey Smart Loss Plan, who are looking for a safe, effective and great tasting product to help them reach their ideal body weight when combined with a calorie-restricted diet. Clinical studies demonstrate that consuming 2 meal replacement shakes in place of 2 regular meals, as part of a calorie-restricted diet, is the most effective way to lose weight, while consuming 1 meal replacement shake is effective for maintaining reduced body weight. In addition, individuals may prepare half the normal portion for a delicious snack after reaching their ideal body weight. How does this product work? Meal replacement shakes take the hassle out of calorie control. When prepared according to label instructions and used within the context of an energy-restricted diet, this shake can be used in place of 1 or 2 regular daily meals. In doing so, this shake makes a quick, convenient calorie-controlled meal. Meal replacement shakes are effective because they help you control calories, provide easy portion control, and conveniently fit into your lifestyle. You choose the meals at which you use Bodykey by Nutrilite Meal Replacement Shake. Plus, this shake contains 20 grams of protein to help fill you up and better control appetite and hunger. What is the purpose for combining the key ingredients together in this product? The Bodykey by Nutrilite Meal Replacement Shake combines the ideal balance of protein, carbohydrates, fat, fiber and essential vitamins and minerals to help you feel full, support preservation of lean muscle mass, support digestive health and help you feel energized. Our meal replacement shake provides the nutritional equivalent of a complete well-balanced meal with a lower caloric content of most typical meals. What is meant by the term, net carbs? What is the net carb content of this product? Why are sugars a part of this product formula? The net carb content reflects the amount of total carbohydrate less dietary fiber and any sugar alcohols. The net carb content of this product is 20 grams per serving. Carbohydrates are an important nutrient in a well-balanced diet, and this product provides both complex carbohydrates and simple sugars. A common misconception is that in order to lose weight a person must greatly restrict, if not eliminate, carbohydrates from their diet. Carbohydrates provide glucose, through metabolism, the body's preferred energy-yielding substrate. This product contains sugars, fructose, to provide a quick source of energy. This is especially important for products that are used in energy-restricted diets because your brain works best on glucose. Regardless of whether you use this product at breakfast or another meal, the added sugars in this product give your brain a quick source of energy from sugars with complex carbohydrates to help keep you feeling energized until the next time you eat. What is the level of lactose in this product? How does the lactose content of this shake compare to other lactose-containing foods? Bodykey by Nutrilite Meal Replacement Shake contains 30 mg of lactose per serving. Comparison to commonly consumed foods. 1 cup of milk contains about 12 grams, 12,000 milligrams, of lactose. One would need to consume approximately 400 servings of Bodykey by Nutrilite Meal Replacement Shake to consume the same amount of lactose in 1 cup of milk. A half cup of ice cream contains about 5 grams, 5,000 milligrams, of lactose. One would need to consume approximately 165 servings of Bodykey by Nutrilite Meal Replacement Shake to consume the same amount of lactose in half cup of ice cream. 1 serving of plain non-fat Greek yogurt contains about 3.8 grams, 3,800 milligrams, of lactose. One would need to consume approximately 125 servings of Bodykey by Nutrilite Meal Replacement Shake to consume the same amount of lactose in a serving of plain non-fat Greek yogurt. How should this product be taken? Should it be taken on an empty stomach or with food? Bodykey by Nutrilite Meal Replacement Shake mix is intended to replace a regular meal while providing you with the nutrition you would otherwise get in a well-balanced meal. We recommend mixing 2 scoops or 1/2 cup 57 grams with 10 fluid ounces. Approximately 300 milliliters of cold water. This shake is best enjoyed shortly after mixing. Are there any other physical states, conditions for which use of this product is contraindicated? There is no evidence of any contraindications with use of this product. However, those under supervised medical care should consult with their physician before using this product. For those who are considering using this product for weight loss, they should note that this product is intended for use as a part of an energy-restricted diet and not as the sole source of nutrition. Other foodstuffs are a necessary part of such a diet, as is maintenance of an adequate daily intake of fluids. To ensure proper use of this product, the use directions should be adequately followed. Can you take this product after it has expired? Levels of nutrients are not guaranteed to maintain the potency listed on the label after the expiration date has expired on the container. Particularly for foods, the sensory characteristics such as flavor, odor and texture are not guaranteed past the expiration date. What environmental conditions may adversely affect this product? The container should be tightly closed to protect from moisture. The product should be stored in a cool, dry place below 74 degrees Fahrenheit. Use instructions: blend or shake 2 scoops or 1/2 cup 57 grams into 300 milliliters 10 fluid ounces of cold water. Replace 1 to 2 meals per day. Bodykey by Nutrilite Meal Replacement Shake Mix Packets. Chocolate $52. Thanks to watching my video till last. You like video theme like it. New video and new product inflammatory. Meet tomorrow. Bye bye friends.